Good morning, everyone. How are you all, dear children? Once again, welcome back to my class. Students, as you all know, that your half yearly exams are very near. So, children, in this class also, we will do revision for our half yearly exam. Okay, we will do revision number 4 from your book, chapter 5 and 6. Okay, so let us start the class. Revision number 4. Nagpur is famous for A. Apples, B. Bananas, C. Oranges, D. Guavas. Student, answer will be oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Okay, students. Now, second question. Arhar, moong, urad and masoor are dash. A. Pulses, B. Sweets, C. Vegetables, D. Fruits. Students, arhar, moong, urad and masoor are pulses. Okay, these all are pulses. Okay, now everyone move to the next question. Caps or turbans worn to cover head is known as A. Sari, B. Pavadai, C. Headgear, D. Baku. Answer will be, children, C. Headgear. Caps or turbans worn to cover head is known as C. Headgear. Okay. Now student, move to the next question. That is question number 4th. Baku is worn by women in A. Punjab, B. Uttarakhand, C. Rajasthan, D. Sikkim. Children, answer will be D. Sikkim. Okay, answer will be D. Sikkim. Baku is worn by women in Sikkim. Okay. Now students, next question is people in coastal areas eat rice and dash. People in coastal areas eat rice and dash. Options are A. Fish, B. Pulses, C. Pickles, D. Vegetables. Answer will be, children, A. Fish. People in coastal areas eat rice and fish. Okay, students. Now everyone move to the next question. That is question number 6. Chilies, cloves, pepper, turmeric, etc. are popular dash used in food. A. Fruits, B. Vegetables, C. Spices, D. Pulses. Children, answer will be C. Spices. Okay. Chilies, cloves, pepper, turmeric, etc. are popular spices which is used in our food. Okay. Now everyone move to the next question. That is question number 7th. The most common dress of Indian men living in towns and cities is dash. The most common dress of Indian men, those who lives in towns and cities, is dash. A. Dhoti kurta, B. Shirt trouser, C. Lungi kurta, D. Pajama kurta. Children, answer will be B. Shirt trouser. Okay. The most common dress of Indian men, those who lives in towns and cities, is shirt and trouser. Okay. Now everyone move to the next question. That is question number 8. Firan is worn by women in A. Kashmir, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. West Bengal. Children, answer will be A. Kashmir. Okay, answer will be A. Kashmir. Firan is worn by women in Kashmir. Okay, student. Now everyone move to the next question. That is question number 9th. Uttar Pradesh is famous for A. Guavas, B. Apples, C. Mangoes, D. Grapes. Children, answer will be C. Mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for mangoes. Okay. Now everyone, come to the next question, that is question number 10th. Dash is used in making food. A. Rubber, B. Medicine, C. Oil, D. Newspaper. Children, our answer will be C. Oil. Oil is used in making food. Okay, student. Now everyone, move to the next questions. That is question number 11th. The most popular dress of Indian women is dash. A. Salwar kameez, B. Lehenga choli, C. Sari blouse, D. Pavadai. Children, answer will be sari blouse. Okay, the most popular dress of Indian women is C. Sari blouse. Okay. Okay, student. Now move to the next question. That is question number 12. We wear clothes according to dash. A. Seasons, B. Televisions, C. People, D. Family. Answer will be, children, A. Seasons. We wear clothes according to the seasons. Okay. Now children, come to the next question. Question number 13. People in eastern and southern states mostly eat dash. A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Maize, D. Jowar. Answer will be, children, B. Rice. Okay. People in eastern and southern states mostly eat B. Rice. Okay. Because rice is grown in these areas very much. Okay. Now everyone, come to the next question. Question number 14th. People who eat meat, egg and fish are called as dash. A. Vegetarians, B. Non-vegetarians, C. Painter, D. Potter. Children, answer will be non-vegetarians. Okay. People who eat meat, egg and fish are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, student. Now students, come to the next question. That is question number 15th. Okay. On special occasion, which dresses are worn? A. Formal, B. Casual, C. Uniform, D. Seasonal. Children, answer will be A. Formal. On special occasion, we wear formal dresses. Okay. Now everyone, move to the next questions. That is question number 16th. Ghagra kurta is a dress of dash state. A. Haryana, B. Kashmir, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. Children, our answer will be A. Haryana. Okay, answer will be A. Haryana. Okay. Ghagra kurta is a dress of Haryana. Okay. Now everyone, come to the next question. That is question number 17th. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of A. Mangoes, B. Oranges, C. Apples, D. Lychees. Children, answer will be C. Apples. Okay, answer will be C. Apples. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for a wide variety of apples. Okay. Now everyone, move to the next question. That is question number 18th. North India is mostly famous for dash. A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Millets, D. Jowar. Answer will be, children, wheat. Okay. North India is famous for wheat. Okay. Now everyone, move to the next question. That is question number 19th. Which one is the traditional dress? A. Jeans, B. Trouser, C. Achkan or Angrakha, D. Short skirt. Children, answer will be C. Achkan or Angrakha. Okay. Achkan or Angrakha is the traditional dress. Okay. Now everyone, move to the next question. That is question number 20. Okay. What is the dress of Nagaland? A. Naga shawl, tribal dress, B. Baku, C. Dhoti kurta, sari blouse, D. Vesti or lungi shirt, pavadai. Children, answer will be Naga shawl tribal dress. Okay, the dress of Nagaland is Naga shawl and tribal dress. Okay, this is the dress of Nagaland. Naga shawls and tribal dress. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class. Till then children, must take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. Bye everyone.